The following shows the installation and connection of L9 straight male coaxial connector and the 75 ohm coaxial cable. Prepare the following items: 75 ohm coaxial cable, L9 straight male coaxial connector, steel ruler, cable peeler, diagonal pliers, crimp pliers, and electrical iron. The following is the installation and connection procedures. Step 1. Peel the cable. Based on the cable peeling length recommended in the following table, peel the outer jacket off the coaxial cable with the dedicated cable peeler and diagonal pliers. Level off the cable external conductor and remove the insulation surface to expose the internal conductor. You can read the outer jacket marks to know the type of the coaxial cable. When peeling away the outer jacket and the insulation surface, select the peeling interface of proper size. Do not damage the external and internal conductors. The peeling length of the coaxial cable is the same for the same coaxial connector. The structure and size of the coaxial connector end may vary with the manufacturer. In practice, refer to the structure and size of the coaxial connector end to peel the cable. The previous table is for reference only. Step 2. Install the protection sleeve and the crimp sleeve. Put the coaxial cable in the protection sleeve and the crimp sleeve in sequence. Step 3. Weld. Before welding the coaxial connector and the internal conductor of the coaxial cable, put the coaxial cable in the protection sleeve and the crimp sleeve. Shape the external conductor of the coaxial cable as a horn. Put the coaxial cable and the coaxial connector together. Make sure that the internal conductor is in the internal conductor welding area of the coaxial connector. Weld the internal conductor and the coaxial connector. The following figure shows the finished welding end surface. Step 4. Crimp. Check if copper wires or sundries scattered in the welding area. If there are any, clear them off. Push the crimp sleeve into the coaxial connector to fully cover the external conductor of the coaxial cable. If there are copper wires outside the crimp sleeve, cut them off. Select the crimpy metal die matching the coaxial cable type, and then crimp the sleeve and the coaxial cable with dedicated crimp pliers. You'd better ship the sleeve by one crimp. Avoid additional crimps. The following figure shows the crimp of the sleeve. After crimp, the sleeve and the coaxial cable are fixed and cannot move in any direction. Otherwise, cut off the coaxial connector and reinstall. The coaxial connector cannot be reused. Step 5. Fasten the protection sleeve. Push the protection sleeve and it fits in with the shred of the connector plug. If the shred is fixed, the installation finishes. Thus, we finish installing and connecting the L9 straight male coaxial connector and the 75 ohm coaxial cable.